Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discover how to attract a girl without talking to her. Have you ever wanted to know how to impress girls without talking to them? You can look dazzlingly handsome and easily attract all the girls. But some of the more average-looking guys could become a popular girl magnet as well. The secret is with the effort they put in to have such an all-around nice personality and refreshing appearance. So many men focus way too much on opening lines, which is a bad idea. Sure, having a good line isn't a bad idea, however, that line isn't going to take you far. You forgot about body language. So I'm going to teach you how to attract women without talking to them. If you know the importance of body language and the right way to attract women without talking, ditch the lines and focus on nonverbal communication. Guys often stress out trying to find the perfect opening line to say to a girl. But if you know how to attract women without talking, then all that pressure to figure out what to say to the girl disappears. It becomes much easier to relax and start a conversation with the woman because you already know the woman is interested. Have you bumped into a girl you find attractive in a place you frequent? It may be at work, in the corridors of college, or even in a cafe that you frequent. When you like a girl who frequents the same place as you, it's not always the best idea to walk up to her and use a pickup line. After all, both of you are going to bump in often, and if she turns you down, you'll always feel like a loser when she walks past you the next time around. Now it's time for you to get back in touch with yourself and see what really attracts women. And it doesn't have much to do with the words you use. So if you'd like to take the pressure off of meeting women and learn how to attract women without talking, check out these following attraction tips for men. But just before, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to download your free book to successfully seduce any girl by clicking on the link in the description below. 1. Attract women with eye contact. The most important part of attracting women without talking is making quality eye contact with women. When you find yourself making eye contact with a woman, hold her gaze and give her a warm smile. Holding eye contact shows women confidence. Smiling shows her that you're a warm, friendly guy. Now, maintaining that warm, confident eye contact with women can be difficult if you're nervous. To ease that anxiety, there are two things you can do. First, when making eye contact with a woman, breathe deep into your belly, as this will help you relax. Second, make your eye contact with women warm and inviting by smiling with your eyes. You know that feeling you get in your eyes after you laugh really hard? When your gaze is warm, relaxed, and open? That is the feeling you want when looking to attract women with eye contact. At first, getting her to notice you may take a while, especially if you've been the shy guy who avoids any kind of attention. But whenever you get a window of opportunity, lock eyes with her just for a second. Stare at her for too long and she'll think you're creepy. Exchange a brief glance for a second now and then, it'll make her wonder if you've got something on your mind. But don't overdo it, at least not for the first week or so. 2. Get women to notice you through social proof. I know this sounds shallow, but having good-looking women around you isn't a bad idea if you want to attract other women. It makes you look desirable, which is the goal you should have. If you want a woman to want you, make yourself look like all women want a piece of you. A great way to stand out and get women to notice you is through social proof. Surrounding yourself with women, especially attractive women, proves that you're the type of man women want to be around. Other women in the venue will wonder what it is that makes these women want to be with you. It'll automatically get women curious about you, interested in you, and maybe even a little jealous that they're not included. 3. Nonverbal banter with women. Banter is a great way to start a conversation with women, but there's more to banter than just using banter lines. There are also nonverbal ways to banter with women that will get women interested in you. For example, if you've made eye contact with a woman and want to get things rolling with a little banter, a great thing to do is to simply make funny faces at her. Have some fun and play. Stick your tongue out, cross your eyes, make whatever silly face you feel like. It's a great way to make a girl smile, and from there, it will be easy to approach the woman and start a conversation with her. Tease a woman without saying a word to her. If she's across the room, shoot her a facial expression or a hand gesture. Remember, nonverbal communication is huge, so maximize on it as much as you can. It is a great way to get the vibes between you and her going without words. Then, when you approach her, you already have something to talk about. 4. Attract women with your appearance. If you want to get women to notice you, take the time to dress well. As mentioned in the Art of Charm podcast with relationship expert Kimberly Seltzer, women always notice how a man is dressed, and it always makes a major impact. Attracting women with your appearance doesn't require expensive clothing. All you really need is to show women you're a guy who has his life together. Leave the sweatpants and flip-flops at home and attract women by going out in clean, wrinkle-free clothes that fit well. A pair of sharp-looking shoes, trim fingernails, and well-managed hair will go a long way in getting women to notice you in a positive way. Show your best self, because if you don't think women watch, you're wrong. Though they may not be directly staring at you, they do watch you. So, when you want to attract a woman, show the room your best side, because trust me, they notice. Dress well, dress smart. When you dress like $1,000,000 in clothes that fit you and look great on you while accentuating your assets at the same time, you're bound to get the attention you want. Don't be afraid to look unique or different, just as long as what you wear looks good on you. But don't dress up just to get attention. There's a thin line between looking good and looking for attention. It's a good start to let the girl know that you're a guy who can groom himself and take care of himself. 5. Attractive body language. Women can tell a lot about you by your body language alone. If you want to show the confidence that will get women attracted to you, then you want to make sure your body language is on point. To show the confident body language that attracts women, be sure to stand tall, as if there's a string from the base of your spine pulling you up through the crown of your head. Remember to keep your shoulders back and relaxed, your head up, and smile. You can further show confidence through body language by avoiding excess movements and fidgeting. When you walk, walk with purpose and direction. Having control over your body language helps you come across as the powerful, confident man women want. Make her comfortable with the right gestures. When you start the conversation, make sure to keep open body language. With you as a stranger, she will likely adopt a prevention focus at first. It's up to you to get her into the promotion stage. Do this by using precise and small gestures. Use slower movements and speech and lean back away from her. Don't clench your fists, don't keep your hands in your pockets, and don't cross your arms. These gestures put out a hostile and unfriendly vibe. Avoid these and you'll be on the right track. If you walk into a room with your shoulders hunched and your hands in your pockets, you're not giving off the right body language. What do you want to show people? What impression do you want them to have of you? If you want them to see you as a confident man, play the part. Shoulders back, hands to your side, and head up. Come on, man, you can do this. Number 6. Get women to notice you by making friends. Thus far, this article has been all about how to attract women without talking at all. But as Johnny mentioned in the mailbag episode, sometimes getting women to notice you requires a bit of effort. Sitting around and waiting for women to notice you just isn't as effective as getting up and making yourself noticeable. How can you make sure women notice you? By being the social, friendly guy who gets along with everyone. When you go out, look to talk with anyone who is around, guys, girls, staff members, etc. Women will notice you getting along with everyone, and they'll become interested in meeting you. Plus, acting this way shows women you're confident, friendly, and able to handle yourself in social situations, all traits women find attractive in men. 7. Make women chase you. Making women chase you can be shockingly easy. All you have to do is go out and, no matter what you're doing or who you're with, focus on having a good time. Keep a smile on your face, have fun, and enjoy yourself. It will get women to notice you and excited to join in on the fun. Women love compliments. Point out her good qualities at appropriate times. Find out about her other qualities that you find attractive, and shower her with compliments without overdoing it. You should moderate it enough to make her blush if she does, or make her flattered. If you do this, you will definitely get her attention in no time. Don't give fake compliments. It's better that you don't compliment her if you don't have anything genuine to say. Your lie will be spotted and you will be struck off the list immediately. Fake compliments are a sign of desperation. Avoid that completely. The guys who are bold and ready to take chances are the guys who always have a lot of fun and create interesting memories all the time. And girls always love a guy who's bold enough to do something that many may consider embarrassing or awkward. Participate in something when she's around, be it karaoke or friendly competition between friends. Get her attention while doing something that catches attention, and she'll definitely be in awe of you. Number 8. Be bold. The guys who are bold and ready to take chances are the guys who always have a lot of fun and create interesting memories all the time. And girls always love a guy who's bold enough to do something that many may consider embarrassing or awkward. Participate in something when she's around, be it karaoke or a friendly competition between friends. Get her attention while doing something that catches attention, and she'll definitely be in awe of you. Number 9. Get to know one of her friends. If you don't want to risk taking a chance on talking to her directly, it's always safe to get friendly with one of her friends, be it a guy or a girl. Sometimes this approach can be the safest and best way to make an impression. Read this guide on how to ask a girl out when you're a shy guy to get a complete walkthrough on using her friend to make her like you. Number 10. Bump into her outside work. Once you've created enough opportunities to bump into her around your workplace, it's time to talk to her. Use your common friends or her online activities and get to know when she's going to some new place, be it a party or somewhere else with her friends. Make sure you get there with your own friends or by yourself, making sure she has no idea that the whole thing was planned ahead. When you see her at the same place and catch her eye, just look at her for a second and appear confused, like you don't know whether to say hi or not. And then just smile at her or use a half smile laced with surprise. If she's seen you enough times already and is familiar with you, she'll definitely notice you and smile back at you too. Number 11. Wear your signature scent. As you'd imagine, how you smell plays a pivotal role in how to attract women without speaking to them. As humans, we rely on scent to form an assessment of others. This is especially true for women who boast over 40% more olfactory cells in the brain than we do. That's right, gents, they can easily pick up on your scent. Since our natural odor mixes with fragrance to create a unique scent, it's up to you to pick a cologne that resonates and put it to good use. Don't overdo it though. 2 or 3 squirts should be more than enough to be pleasant for the ladies. Number 12. Show your pearly whites. Smile, man. Women love a man who smiles. The smile is one of the most important features that women look for in a man. A smile puts down the initial guard women have when approached, and this is what's attractive. You look friendly, you look warm, and genuinely happy. But here's the thing, you actually should smile like you mean it. Talking to women isn't as hard as we hype it up to be. In essence, it boils down to being a normal guy who isn't a creeper. Regardless though, these silent tips will take your dating game to the next level. Confidence isn't a mindset, it comes from within. By feeling like a confident man, you will display the attributes that will make females perceive you as a man of value. Just by wearing cool clothes, your self-esteem will improve a lot. You know you're doing it right when she gets more comfortable with you the more you touch her. Soon, you might notice she's looping her fingers around your arm while you're walking together, and she might not mind you having your hand at her waist. The bottom line is this: if you want to know how to attract a girl, you have to be brave enough to be a real man. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe to the channel. You are also free to receive the new book, 9 Keys to Seduce Any Girl, by clicking on the link in the description below.